What up? This is Sock. This is my third time doing this reel. Let's hope that it works this time. I'm using Weezer Blue today because, well, I'm using Weezer Blue for this one because Buddy Holly is stuck in my head. Okay, first one. We can't have square root on the bottom of a division problem. That's not allowed. So let's multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of n. So then we have n to the power of 2 times the square root of n. And on the bottom we have regular n because like when you multiply a square root by itself, you're basically like squaring it, which is the opposite of square root, so you just get what's inside the square root. Hopefully that makes sense. Probably doesn't, but whatever. So this n right here will cancel out an n at the top. So then we have n times the square root of n. Okay. And then for this one, let's make it simpler. It's basically square root of 3 over square root of 50. We can simplify 50 by we can simplify 50 by the square root of 25 times the square root of 2. And 25 is perfect square root, so now we have square root of 3 over 5 times the square root of 2. And as we know from the previous problem, we can't have a square root on the bottom, so we have to multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 2. So then we have the square root of 5. Yes, well, yeah, we would have the square root of 3 times this, oh my goodness, square root of 2. So we would have the square root of 5. And then 2 would be left over from the bottom. So we have 5 times 2, which would be 10. Okay, now on to our last problem. To make this easier, we can basically just I don't know how to explain this part, just trust me about it, okay? We can separate it into different parts to make it easier to cube root it. That's what that's called, by the way, cube rooting. Give me a sec, brother. This is gonna take forever. Okay. So, yeah, the cube root of 64 is 4, by the way. I didn't mention that. My bad. Anyways, so when we cube root these on the outside, we get a 4. 2 A's. And, well, this cancel out this thing, so we got 4 C's left. And inside the square, oh my goodness. Wait. I don't think that's right. I did something wrong. Oh my gosh, I literally have the video pulled up. Why am I struggling again? Give me a sec. I'm gonna cheat.
Are these two B's and the C right here, so I have a B squared and a C, and I keep forgetting.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. So yeah, that cancels out, and then... Does it make sense? Yes, sure. And then we can get rid of a C from there, so we have B to the power of 2 and a singular C. And then, so those 2 A's are just A to the power of 2, and that's C to the power of 4. Oh my goodness, that was not a 4. Yeah, and then we have cube root B to the power of 2 times C. Okay, I did it.